Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and for today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I get my 20-minute at-home dry bar blowout to look like this. Clearly, I don't have my hair like that right now. I had to film this intro after filming that video. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly why. So if you're ready to find out how I get this look from wet to dry in under 20 minutes, please keep watching. Just want to jump in here and say that none of the products used in this video are sponsored in any way. I paid for all of these products with my own money. You're gonna see a lot of dry bar products, which I didn't realize that until I was editing the video. But that's because so far, all of the products that I've tried, I really enjoy. Okay, so I have this towel wrap. Now what I like to do is separate my hair in half and then use some hair oil. Don't really like this one, but put a little bit on my hands and then just kind of. So this routine usually takes me about 15-20 minutes, I would say. So perfect when you're trying to run out the door. Now I'm just gonna brush it out. Now that it's brushed out, I'm going to take some of the Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. So I just shake it and apply it near the crown. I have really heavy hair, so and then I just like to brush it just to get it a little more even. Now we're going to section the hair, and I'm just going to take from the ear okay, so now I'm going to split it down the middle in half and then take that and split it again. So it's 4 sections, and that way the hair dries faster. I have really thick hair, like I said, so this way it'll dry faster. So take it, I'm gonna go brush under and push up and roll through. So what I like to do once I've done all the pieces in this section is I will go through with the brush just like kind of against the scalp to make sure that there's no damp hair left. Okay, I'm gonna apply the High Shine Chaser Finishing Cream and set it to cool. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love how soft and just shiny this makes my hair look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and let me know in the comments if there's other specific type of hair videos you would like to see. Till next time, beauties.